Hello, my name's Stefan. I'm the Service Manager here at PP Motor Group. Today this vehicle is going to have an ADAS calibration, and I'll hopefully talk you through some of the steps and some of the reasons why we do those calibrations. Today we are doing ADAS calibration on this car. The vehicle was involved in an accident, the front bumper's been removed, the geometry's been adjusted, so we're going to carry out an ADAS calibration, set everything up, make sure the vehicle's parallel to the framework as part of the setup procedure, make sure we're ready to go. ADAS stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Basically systems on the vehicle such as cameras, radars, various sensors around the car which will calibrate to make sure they're set up correctly, positioned to the vehicle correctly, and they're also looking in the right directions to see what's going on in the environment around them. ADAS is done by setting the vehicle up in a nice and bright workshop environment like this, with systems like the target boards on the wheels. We will then set this framework up so it's completely parallel to the car, to the correct height, correct distances. This is the target board for the camera, so we're going to do that calibration first. Hopefully it's all going to go to plan and we'll have a clear calibration with a good certificate at the end. So the framework's now set up to the vehicle, ready to proceed with the calibration to see what the next steps are going to be. Calibration frame set up correctly so we can move on to the next stage. What we're doing now is we're going to set this frame up to the car as it's asking for on the Autel ADAS calibration equipment. So we're just going to move it forward until we reach approximately the right figures. There we go, so we're all green now on the settings, so we can now screw the stands down, make sure it's nice and secure, and that's the framework set up to the vehicle. I always try and get as close to zero as possible. And then sliding the frame over very slightly. As close to zero as possible. Just fine tune this again. Okay, so now we need to move the target height to the right measurement, which is 1,400 mm from the floor. So we'll turn on this laser. You see at the minute we're at 1,043, so we'll just turn that up. $1,400, so now we'll go next. So this one is come down again, level with the wheels. Continue the calibration process. Loosen the frame. back up to the required height. Procedure performed successfully. So that's the windscreen camera now calibrated to the target boards and set up successfully. So that's that one completed. So that's finalised the calibration procedure. It's all set up correctly. We've got a clean certificate now. The reason for doing this calibration can be such as impact damage, a bumper's been removed, or wheel alignments being adjusted, windscreen could be replaced. All these things affect the way that the ADAS system works. So we'd always recommend getting your ADAS calibration checked and carried out if required. Please call us, PP Motor Group, if you need anything with regards to ADAS, any servicing requirements or any body shop requirements whatsoever. Thank you.